Welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome back to another video. So in this video we will learn how to calculate the percentage of yes and no in Excel. As you can see in my worksheet, I have a data range contains the value yes and no, and I want to get the percentage of yes and no separately. To get the percentage of yes and no separately, we can use the formulas here. To get the percentage of yes, select the cell and type the formula equals to CountIf. Now select the range of yes and no, comma. For the criteria, put double inverted commas, and in the double inverted commas, type yes. Now close the bracket and divide this by CountA. Select this range again, comma, and now in this time in the double inverted commas type no. Close the bracket and press enter. So this is the percentage of yes. Now we will find the percentage of no. In the cell D2, type the formula equals to CountIf. Now select the whole range of yes and no, comma, and for the criteria type no in the double inverted commas. Close the brackets and divide this by CountA and select the range again, comma, and type yes in the double inverted comma. Close the bracket and press enter. So here is a way to find the percentage of yes and no. If you like my video, please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel for more informative videos about Excel. Thank you.